thank you. I'm glad I'm better too. It smells really good. It smells like Gain a lot. Say it's together. Yeah, food is something serious. Hey Peaches, I want to say probably like half the cans. Thank you, Elle. There's soap under? Yeah. I'll do that next. Elle, have you been live? I feel like a lot of days I get on and nobody's on. Well, I'm in my garage, so I guess it's not too cold in here. But it's definitely cold. It has been so cold in Houston. Where's everybody from? I'm just sick, so it's not like my normal voice. You have snow? face. Oh, y'all are from everywhere, huh? Detroit. Okay. You never see snow? I see snow once in a blue moon. It doesn't really get cold enough in Houston for that. Oh, Roxy, you trying to get back to Cali? You live in Cali? You know, there's a lot of people on here that do. Specifically, they live in like Los Angeles. It's so crazy to me. No, we haven't done that yet. It's early. I know where you live, Main Squeeze. LA's packed. Yeah, A's in Texas. I'm always looking for new baddie babes to hang out with in Houston. Hey, sassy pums. So today my daughter got like 1 billion shots. I was like, oh my poor baby. But she doesn't cry for long. Or not really cry. She's just like whining because she doesn't like to be held down. Because literally, once we stop holding her down, she's fine. Like, she forgot all about the shots. There's nothing to add besides dish soap. I have 25 cans, I think, still going in. Yeah. Hey, shut the fuck up. I was about to say your name. Let me do some dish soap bombs and then I'll get back to powder bombs. Look, I haven't even watched Wicked, but I keep seeing that lady. She's like, Madam something, flip it around, Wicked Witch. You said 6, perfect. Let me get some dish soap. I'm like, that lady is so funny. I don't even know what she's saying in the first half. I just know that she's saying Wicked Witch. Flip it around. I love the way that she says it too.